Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Rossi. We are going to work with our new rules for this week and next. We know that AU says aw, and we know that AW says aw. And so we are going to spell some words, some real words and some nonsense words, using those new rules and patterns. So let's just quickly review. We know that AU says aw in the beginning or in the middle of a word. And we know that AW says aw at the end of a word, and sometimes in the middle, rarely, but if so, it's followed by an N or an L. So we're going to work with those words right now and with those rules. So the first word that we're going to spell is the word Otto. So repeat that word after me, please. Otto. Good job. My car got fixed at the auto shop this week. So let's get our pounding fist ready to see how many syllables we have in that word. Auto. We have 2 syllables in that word. Let's tap out those sounds. The first syllable is aw. So we have aw. And the second syllable is toe. T-o. So we have an open vowel there. So go ahead and try to spell the word auto. You can pause the video if you need to, and take as long as you need to spell the word, and then I am going to show you what the word looks like. Here is the word auto. We hear that aw sound at the beginning of a word, so we're going to use AU to spell the aw sound, and there we have it, auto. The next word is the word fraud. Repeat that word after me. Fraud. Here's the sentence. There was fraud on my credit card when someone stole it and tried to use it. Fraud. Let's pound that word out. See how many syllables there are? Fraud. 1 syllable. And let's tap out the sounds we hear in fraud. Awed. So I have aw here in the middle of my word, fraud. Can you try and spell that word? And then I'll show you what that word looks like. Here we go. The word is fraud. Did you get that? Nice work. We have our next word. The word is flaunt. Flaunt. Can you repeat that word? Flaunt. Good job. The peacock will flaunt its beautiful feathers when you visit it at the zoo. Flaunt. Let's pound out how many syllables we hear. Flaunt. 1 syllable. Let's tap it out. On. Flaunt. Okay, you try to spell it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Remember, listen to where you hear that aw sound. Let's put that blend together. Full. Aw. So we have aw in the middle of the word, and that's what it looks like. Flaunt. Good job. The next word is a nonsense word. The word is thotch. Can you repeat that word? Thotch. I know that sounds strange. Let's pound that out. Thotch. 1 syllable. Let's tap out the sounds we hear. Ch. Thotch. Try to spell that word. And this is what it looks like. Thotch. Remember, these are not real words. There are nonsense words that are just fun ways to practice the different sounds that we're learning. Okay, and the next word is the word stosking. Stosking. Let's pound that out to see how many syllables we have. Ready? Stosking. We have 2 syllables in stosking. So the first syllable is stos. St. Aw. Let's spell that. Stos. And the second syllable, stos. King. Ing. Let's spell that. Stos. King. You try to spell it, and I'm going to show you the word in just 1 second. Let's see what you got. Good work. We still hear that aw in the middle of the word, so we're still using the AU to make that sound. Nice work. I'll give you a hint. The next few words we're going to think about a little bit differently and spell aw in a different way. So here's the first word that we have when spelling words with our other pattern that we know says aw. So the first word we have here is jaw. Repeat that word. Jaw. Good work. The jaw of a tiger is very strong. Let's pound that word out. Jaw. Let's tap out the sounds we hear. J, aw. And let's spell that sound. That word. J, aw, jaw. Here it is. Jaw. Nice work. The next word is the word straw. Repeat that word after me. Straw. Good work. I like to drink using my metal straw. Let's pound that word and see how many syllables we have. Straw. One syllable. Let's tap out the sounds. St, r, aw. Straw. Remember, we hear the aw sound at the end of a word, so we know that we are using AW to spell aw. There we have it. Straw. The next word is the word crawfish. Can you repeat that word for me? Very good. I ate crawfish at the fish festival last weekend. Crawfish. Let's pound out the syllables. Crawfish. 2 syllables. What we actually have here is a compound word. So we actually have 2 small words being put together to make one big word. So crawfish. Okay, so let's sound out craw. Cr-aw. Craw. And if that's one word, then where do we hear the aw sound? Cr-aw. We hear it at the end of the word, right? That's the first little word in the word crawfish, and we hear aw at the end of that little word. Let's see what the second syllable is. Fish. And let's tap that out if we need to. Ish. Fish. Okay, see if you can spell that word. Crawfish. Here it is. Did you get it? Good job. I can't stump you. All right, we have 2 nonsense words that we're going to play with. Let's see if we can get these nonsense words. The first nonsense word is the word straw. Can you repeat that word? Straw. Good job. Let's pound it. Straw. 1 syllable. Let's tap it out. Straw. Straw. Good. Let's see what you got. Here's what it looks like. Straw. Very nice. And the last nonsense word is the word blah. Blah. Can you repeat that? Very good. Let's pound it. Blah. 1 syllable. Let's tap it out. Bull. Let's break apart that blend. B-o-ah. Blah. Let's see. What do you have? Blah. Nice work.